Jumpa dalam YouTube.
Jumpa dalam YouTube.
Intercom helmet intercom once you connect to your phone the intercom it will automatically connect to the CarPlay lah.
Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh. Stars in the sky.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. For today is gonna be a review of a product that I've been talking about. I've been using this CarPlay for about close to a month now, and I just want to show you guys the CarPlay. The CarPlay is called AOOCCI. It's called AOOCCI lah. It's a CarPlay that is sponsored by one of a CarPlay company called AOOCCI AOOCCI. So today I'm gonna review it. I've been using it for a month, so far it's good. I'm using it just for the purpose of navigation, because you know, right, I ride a lot to Malaysia, and sometimes when it rains, right, when you have this, I show you when you have this phone and then you go for the navigation let me just change the show you guys the startup screen So this is my startup screen. You can see my reflection I don't know whether you guys can see the CarPlay. I don't know how to angle it So yeah, by the way, I've already reached 6,500 kilometers on this bike So first one, you can see the tire pressure monitoring, and then let me turn on the brightness It will automatically this because I've already set up because when you just purchase it, right, it will somehow you can just link through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to this AOOCCI okay. So it will automatically change to a navigation screen, because I already set to what do you call it, Waze If not, you can actually change the settings here. If the more you use Waze, right, then it will be a startup screen Before, this was a Google Map. If you realize my initial videos, I think few videos back when I do riding it's always turned out to be Google Map but now it will be Waze So I got a lot of different apps here. Can add and cancel. From the app, you can download it. So the only thing I'm using is only Waze. This is the only thing that I need so that I don't have to use my phone to navigate anymore. So it's automatically connected. You can actually go to the Waze here, and then you can type here. You can also type here. You can also type here. So example, Woodlands checkpoint I go to Woodlands checkpoint. There. Then you go now. So the screen will be like that. It will not show map here, but it will show map here. So it's a bigger screen Okay. So this one you can just close. Actually, you don't even have to use Waze here. You can just close everything. You can search from here. Yeah. So example, I want to search somewhere. Okay. So example, you want to search. It's just totally the same as Waze So let's say I want to go to Tampines Mall. Okay, where I go and put space. Let's say I want to go to Tampines Mall Tampines Mall. Let's click here. Yeah, actually quite decent quite fast navigation. See? For me, I just use for navigation. They do have camera function. I will show you the whole box, what's inside, and then the tire pressure. Actually, this Zontes already have tire pressure. So if you want to use tire pressure, if you are riding Zontes or you're riding bike that already have pressure monitoring, tire pressure monitoring, you don't really have to use the TPMS. If not, you can use the temperature monitoring system the pressure system. You can still use it so you get double So you just use it, but you don't have to use it For me, for this bike, I never use navigation. This app Zontes they do come with navigation app inside, just that because it's not touch screen, right? So I cannot like change or zoom in, zoom out the places that I want to see So a bit troublesome. So I just use a CarPlay and it's also sponsored. So I got sponsored by this AOOCCI company Yeah, I will show you guys I will put down the promo code which you guys can get 22% off if you use my promo code, and the CarPlay itself is $280, if I'm not wrong, around there. Once you use my promo code, you will get it at about $220. Yeah, and then you can get, because I got my own mount. This one you can get it also, and then it's in the website itself. And then you got this mount. This one I buy myself, the parrot mount for this. Why I place it here? I don't place it down here. Because if I place it down here, it's the same as the phone. If I place down here, right, my vision of the road is much more better and much more safer It's because it's on top, right? So I'm just like viewing from the front. Yeah. So that's about it. By the way, this one I will show you the video, our screen video, the website, and it show you all the specs This the camera is 1080p, and it comes like that You got the dampen got this dampen so it doesn't and then you can adjust you can adjust the screen up and down. You can adjust a bit to your liking And then what I did for this if you see my installation video, I installed it here I asked the mechanic just put it here. If I don't want to use it, I will just plug it out. Yeah, so it's easy easy to reset also. Yeah, so that's about it. So far this bike has been performing so well nice this bike Yeah, so far no issues with this bike. Let me show you how the TPMS looks like. Where's the thing Device monitoring looks like this You can see this thing Yeah, that's the monitoring Alright, so those of you interested, don't have to be based in Singapore. You can be based in any country UK, US, Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia. You can get this AOOCCI It's worldwide Yeah, so it's just cheaper than the alternative like Chigi or Alien Rider It's way cheaper and it functions the same. Yeah, so why not just get it and use it for navigation, or you want to use for tire pressure, or even if you don't have camera on your bike you can actually do, because my bike already have camera, built-in camera already one camera here and then one camera at the back, very flush so it's already have camera already so I don't have to install another camera. So I cannot show you the installation of the camera, so I just did just for navigation basically for navigation. And then you can read message, you can read aloud. By the way this AOOCCI is automatically connected to your phone, and then if you got any intercom helmet intercom once you connect to your phone the intercom it will automatically connect to the CarPlay so there's no issue in connectivity It's very very fast the connectivity. You just on the bike, you just wait for less than a minute just have to wait for less than a minute, then it will turn to the navigation screen. That's what I set up it to be You can set up to whatever you like It's very versatile I would say. Yeah, and then you can do there's a shortcut here beside. There's a lot of shortcuts. So I accidentally press. You see, you can talk. Hello. See? Come out here. Hello. Okay. Can you call Shark?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
You see? Suddenly I accidentally, I don't know I press the... Yeah, then you can play around with it And then I will show you the video which they have all the different type of specs all the different specs Today I'm going to install something on my bike, which is the CarPlay. I will let you know why I install it. I think I will already make another video. why I explaining why I actually wanted to install. Okay, so this is the CarPlay that I'm going to install lah. So I'm going to my workshop at CKA Kaki Bukit in Singapore, and then going to install this. Yeah, so let me try this out, and then I will let you know. Most probably already make the video to let you know that how is it going lah. That will be the initial video. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so like what I said, I'm going to install the AOOCCI CarPlay, which I got recommended, and Scarlett shout out to Scarlett who recommended me for this CarPlay. Okay, so I'm gonna mount in front on top here, so it'll be easier for me to see. Why I wanted to mount, even though I got a phone and also a navigation in the app itself, like what I said before, the navigation app that is connected from the phone to this system over here, the Zontes system, right, it's not touchscreen. So I cannot zoom in and zoom out to the places that I want to, you know, detour. So usually I will use my phone for navigation, if you guys have seen my others video on this channel. So that's why I prefer using phone for navigation. But the bad side of using phone as navigation is that during raining days, I experienced a few times during raining days, right, where I could not navigate properly because the water seeped through the got onto the screen, and then I cannot maneuver. Even though there's sunshade here, I cannot maneuver to the places I want to go because of the screen is wet, right? So it's it's not sensitive enough to detect my finger on the screen. And the second bad thing about having a phone mounted during raining days is that your USB charger below here is not waterproof. So sometimes can have water seep in through the charging port, and then you cannot charge your phone for a few hours until it dry up. So that's the bad point, the two bad point. And sometimes during the raining days, you open your map here, and then suddenly the map will turn off because of the rain. Yeah. So that's another bad point. So 3 bad points already, and the fourth one, I think your phone can get overheat. Yeah, but usually I didn't get any overheated phone before because of this sunshade help me cover up sun. But for those of you who do not have any sunshade, definitely your phone will be heated up after a few hours on the road. Not even few hours, maybe an hour on the road. It will get heated up. So that's why you see a lot of delivery driver, right, they have this full covered sunshade to protect their phone from the sun, and also for clarity because if you got sunshade, right, then you can see the screen properly because the sun is scorching on the top. Hey, nak install tu CarPlay Thank you. Alright.
Sampai Thailand tak?
Belum lagi lah. Belum.
Ini betul lah.
Ui, next week betul.
Lu bukan terus pasang kat JB meh? Terus pasang kat JB mah.
Tak adalah, tak pasang kat JB lah. Nanti rosak apa susah nak pergi sana lah. Side mirror, kill side mirror nice Then he install this one. What else you install? A lot of things still.
Dia lever.
More and more things Every time I see it's more and more things
Kan aku dah
Brake pun dah tukar
lever, light cover.
This one I saw, the last time I saw this one. Wah, dia punya ni dah unik macam honeycomb punya ni
Because I target put my first spot will be 4. I can guna sampai accessories kasi color.
Betul.
Aku rap aku ni sebab I use paracord to rap.
Oh ya. Oh cantik you spray your crash bar?
I open, I spray, lepas tu I wrap pakai paracord. Adventure feel lah. Dia sayang paracord ni I should have done in mati color paracord.
Tak apa, ni cantik apa? It's very sleek.
Black is sleek tapi kalau ada color-color kan macam
tak, color-color tak cantik. I don't think nice. Kalau color-color I don't think nice. It will be awkward because your one is macam black and white. It's already the theme. Then you suddenly got something popping out macam awkward
Minggu depan buat lah. Aku plan baru buat kat sini. Kasi dia ada.
Tapi dia tak muat lah. Kena
drill sikit lah.
sikit, besar
Okey.
sikit.
Okay.
Okay.
Boleh.
Pasal ini lubang dia betul-betul buka ini fork ni lah. Buka fork ni lah screw.
Oh, buka screw lah. Tapi fork punya screw boleh buka daripada atas kan?
Tak boleh.
Oh, tak boleh lah?
Dia sepanas sangkut.
Oh, okey lah.
So saya mau kasih besar sikit lah. Besar sikit. Lagi sikit lah.
Okay, boleh.
Biar dia boleh masuk pun boleh buka
Okay.
fork punya screw.
Okay, boleh. Set. So this one is a tire pressure gauge. Kalau tak pakai yang belakang tu pun boleh ya?
Boleh.
Boleh juga. Tapi itu lagi ketat lah, kasih ketat.
Dia kasih lock lah.
Oh, lock lah. Biar buat. Ya. 703. Looks big, huh? The famous 368G, and then they got this. They never bring in the 368K, yeah?
Okay,
Haven't, but they coming in, is it? Maybe, yeah. Maybe only, yeah. But the cover set. Oh, not really, yeah. Because I see the Thailand one come in already, right? But this one, the outlook is like this, is it? Same, right? The cover I think the same, but the engine is the 368G one. Okay, can. Thank you. Thank you, boss.
Okay.
Jumpa dalam YouTube.
Jumpa dalam YouTube.
Okay guys, so I've already fixed my CarPlay, so I'm going out from here. I use my voucher to pay for the labor costs. Solo ride.
Solo ride? Okay.
I always do solo ride. So okay lah.
I never go Thailand before.
Should go mah.
But never go before, how to go? Don't know how to go.
That's why I must learn mah. Just go and then try lor. I every time like that mah. You see my video, I just randomly go and then just try out. Let's see how.
Then you don't book anything, don't book hotel,
Don't need lah.
just randomly.
Yeah, just randomly on the day where you are, then you can just book. That one adventure mah.
I always go there, go here and there.
You follow the group, is it? The group ah.
Yeah.
Nah, I a bit different lah. Yeah, I enjoy doing like random things then see lah where it leads me to.
But you need to prepare a lot of things
Huh? Need to what?
You prepare a lot of things
No need no need to prepare anything one.
In the sky, directions hard to find. Under the stars up in the sky, I don't wanna take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I